Nzama ya Mangavana niyaweta unaina Prime Minister Raila Odinga kwitha naye Mutongoi unaina umilu mutetei wa maendeeo ndani wa serikali cia mutiuuko na Mutongoi unongamite na ivindi ya muongo kukitia aki na uguo ndani wa kikalo kimwanya na Mangavana umuthi Mutongoi ni mwene kivila wo Ahmed Abdullahi na munini wake Mutai Kahiga. Mangavana ni makuli ateti kwa samwelekanyo wa ndongoi na kwithiwa na umwe kondo wasio wa nthi ya Kenya. Ben Musao na mauvo.
Mutongoi ni mwene kivila wa Nzama ya Mangavana Ahmed Abdullahi ni mamwomboleza Mututia Raila Odinga ta Mutongoi unendete uwo mukitei wa serikali cia mutiuuko na Mutongoi unongamia haki.
The devolved governments that we as governors represent are a direct manifestation of his dream, a Kenya where every citizen has access to opportunity, where every county has a voice, and where government truly serves the people at the grassroots. The Right Honorable Raila Odinga believed that leadership was about service, not privilege. He reminded us that democracy must not only be spoken about, but lived through fairness, inclusion, and accountability. His belief in the power of the people was unshakable, and his actions over the decades demonstrated a deep love for Kenya, a love that transcended politics and partnership. As the Council of Governors, we hold his legacy close to our hearts. The fruits of devolution, stronger local economies, improved service delivery, and citizen participation in governance.
Kila umo wa Mangavana levikire cha thini ki wakwata ibiso ya kumwomboleza Mututia Raila Odinga oduma nese ne iwangoni sio cia kimundu.
If there was any doubt of the influence and the role Raila Odinga played in Kenya, those doubts have been removed today and yesterday by the outpouring of grief in the streets of many towns in Kenya. Raila Amolo Odinga was truly the people's president they never had. The transition caused by his death will be tumultuous, but his legacy will only be recognized when we keep peace and lay his body to rest in dignity.
Mangavana yani mamenda ateti ange kuwasangelekania Raila na kukwatana nikana kutoa nthi nambe.
Despite the fact that Raila Odinga had the capacity to sink this country by taking hardline positions after elections, he always chose the narrow path of uniting Kenyans after the competitive process. It is therefore our prayer, even as we mourn him, that those of us who have been left behind will not let the Prime Minister down by going a different path. It is a prayer and hope that more than there before, more than any other time before, that his death will bring unity to Kenya rather than division that people really expect.
Vilingi wa Mutongoi TV nyenita wa Ben Musao.